This video is a brief overview of Chapter 10, Working with Digital Photographs and Music. It is not intended to replace reading the textbook or reviewing the presentation. Rather than striking the film to create an image, a digital camera uses light to strike an optical sensor that digitizes the image and stores it on the camera. Digital cameras have become popular because of the immediacy of the picture, as you can now view it immediately. Storage is extremely cheap, and they can be easily shared, and sometimes even transferred to your computer through your camera. Most cameras connect to the computer by a USB port. You can also remove flash memory and transfer the images that way. In Windows 8, the Photos app handles the photo import process. You can find that on your screen. It's a live tile, so you'll notice that it's showing all the pictures. And by clicking on it, you can access the Photos library. Pictures by default are transferred to the Pictures folder. You can access the pictures by using File Explorer. Each time you import pictures, Windows 8 automatically creates a folder with the name you specified, or usually a date if you don't specify a name. And you can see on my screen that mine are all in date folders. Most cameras save images in the JPEG or TIFF format. If you double-click the picture to view it, it automatically opens in the Photo app. You can use the Open drop-down arrow when clicking on the picture to select the name of the application to use. Open with, and many times notice it's there. You can open it in the Paint program. You can open it in Windows Photo Viewer, which is what it normally does, in Photos, Photo Gallery, Movie Maker, and you can also choose a default program. For instance, if I'm editing a photo, I always want it to open in Photoshop, so you can make adjustments there. Instead of one picture displayed on your desktop background, you can play back images as an on-screen slideshow from your pictures library. You could even use this as a presentation. Be sure that you note that you may need to customize the folder to optimize the picture folder for drop-down list. You can create a slideshow from File Explorer. I'm going to choose this folder and choose all the pictures in it. Set as background. And then it creates a slideshow to set those as my background. The slideshow can be paused, go to next and back, shuffle or loop, adjust speed and exit, and it can also be made the screensaver or the background. Just as you did in the last chapter to attach a folder to an email, you must zip the folder first in order to send the pictures in an attachment. This process creates a zipped or compressed folder, which is now one file. Sometimes, even by doing this, the file can still be too large to email. I've actually had to place the zipped folder on a website before, then give the address to those needing those pictures for them to download them if there are too many pictures and it's too large. You can play images to a TV. Our smart TVs today connect wirelessly to your network, so you can share images from your computer to your TV. The correct device driver would need to be on your computer in order to do this. The Photo Gallery offers the same features of the picture library. With some additional features such as the ability to edit a photo or add captions or tags. This free program does need to be downloaded from Microsoft, and the textbook gives you the address to download it. Go to the Start screen and click on Photo Gallery tile. If it isn't there, click All Apps, locate it, and pin it on the Start screen, which I have already done. All Apps, and then I would locate by alphabetical order Photo Gallery, and you can right click and you can pin to start. If it's already there, it'll say unpin to start. Kind of gives you an idea that you may have overlooked it. Photos are grouped by date by default, but this can be changed by right-clicking on the files, pointing to Group By, and clicking None. You will also learn how to import images into the photo gallery. As noted in the chapter, before importing images or pictures, be sure that you adhere to the copyright laws. You can add folders to be tracked by the Pictures Library through Photo Gallery as well. Photos can be grouped by tag, rating, camera used, or other data information. Use the choices in the Arrange List group on the View tab to make changes. View tab, and you can arrange list. You can add new folders to further organize pictures in the gallery. You can preview using thumbnails as well as look at them larger and delete them if desired. The Pictures Library and Photo Gallery both allow you to correct the orientation of an image. Right-click the photo and choose Rotate Right or Rotate Left. Photo Gallery and there's that. Photo Gallery, click the File tab, point to Print, and then click Print if you want to print it. You are given choices of standard photo sizes to print. You can also choose to order the prints from several online print companies. Another new app in Windows 8 is the Photo app that we discussed. There are many features available, including sharing and viewing with easy access from your Start screen. The tile works as a live tile, showing a mini slide of what's in your Pictures folder, as I mentioned before. You can also choose which images to show in the tile. You can also choose one to use as a lock screen image. It includes tiles for connecting your albums on OneDrive, Facebook, and Flickr. The built-in player in Windows 8 is Windows Media Player, and it allows you to listen to music as well as watch videos. You can do much more than just listen, such as creating playlists and burning CDs. The new Music app allows you to sign in to Microsoft and receive a 30-day free trial to listen to other music that you don't own. It tracks your music files in other libraries, and I'll go to that. Music, which I use pretty often, and it shows all of a radio that you can listen to, other collections, but it also shows your collection as well. It tracks your music files in other libraries as well as allows you the flexibility to add other folders or devices to play music from. For instance, some of my music wasn't there. I found that it was on one of my flash drives, and I was able to connect it. In this section, you will learn how to browse the music, rip a CD, create and play a playlist, and sync to a portable device. Windows Media Player can also stream music over a network. You will learn how to turn this on. Many fun things in this chapter. It should be interesting to learn how to use your computer for entertainment and also for possible presentations in the future. End of this video.